Why, hello! How are you doing today? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keely, and today is Chainsaw Man Day! Episode 2 came out this morning, for me this morning. And we're gonna watch it. Last episode, we met our main character, Denji, and his dog, pet, devil, Pochita. Denji kind of died, and then Pochita gave him his heart, so now Denji can be alive, except he's part devil and has a chainsaw for a head sometimes. So, it was eventful. A lot happened. A lot happened. And then at the very end, he got, some people stumbled across him who were devil hunters from some organizations. So I think now we're gonna go see him, go help them, go hang out with them, something. I really don't know what to expect. I really enjoyed episode 1, so I hope this is just as good, if not better, but I don't really have much else to say, so let's just get into the show. Hello. Can we get him some clothes, please? Poor guy. That's urgent. Aww. Oh. I take back that aw. Oh, she's not a good guy. So he just replaced his old awful boss with another one. Poor Denji. At least he can eat. I'm so confused by her. Aww. He's totally like dismissing the whole you have to do what I say or I'm gonna kill you because she looks good and she's letting me eat. We need to up his standards. Just a little bit. I'm so happy he gets to eat real food. He says this so casually. I miss him. Aww. No kidding. She's like Tanjiro with her sense of smell. Is you? Denji? You good? Wait, that looks really good. Maybe I'm just hungry, but that looks good. What the heck am I watching? Oh my goodness. Dude, that's me. Is this how to flirt with girl? Over 1,000? That seems like a lot. How many people live in Tokyo? I have no idea, actually. You really think she actually likes you? She's definitely just saying that, right? Like, this is the first girl you've talked to. It's okay. There are others. It's okay. Hello, who are you? Aki. Hi, Aki. Oh my gosh. He's so desperate. Aww. Aww. His little pouty face. Now he's gonna work super hard. Just because he thinks maybe they'll work together one day. She's so manipulative, and he's so desperate that he will listen and eat up every single word of it. Right. Right. Aki is having none of it. Really having none of it. Okay. What was that for? Sir? Sir? Oh. I mean, Genji's got chainsaws for hands. Like, I feel like he's gonna survive. But this guy's got a good point. Ew. I want to know more about him. I mean, yeah, he's obviously here also for food and money and being able to survive. Like, he was already a devil hunter previously. So he's not only here for Makima, but it's helping. He looks kind of evil there. Aww. Does this guy also like Makima? Poor guy. The devil? No, not at all. Great, good. Oh, I'm curious what that means. Oh, I guess he wouldn't have known. Yeah, okay. Oh, so he can't quit. He's stuck here. Okay. Okay. Good question. This is seeming a lot more complicated now than just devil's bad, humans good. Oh my god, it's such a mess. Oh, it's so messy. That just looks so sticky. I hate it. But I'm so glad that he got his toast with jam. I don't think that Aki's liking his new roommate. This is the first mission together. Oh, so the police and devil hunters like work together. It's not secret. It's not separate. Interesting, interesting. Wait, is that not what he is? But He does when he's in devil form. Oh. Oh yeah, he doesn't look like this. Day one on the job, and he's like, hey, kill him. Okay. What does that mean they end up all messed up? Oh. Aww. Having empathy. I mean, it makes sense that he's gonna have empathy for devils, because he literally had a pet devil that was his best friend. Of course he's gonna have empathy. Wow. Ow. Make them suffer as much as possible? I mean, I get that your job is to kill them, but is that necessary? Oh. Are they gonna be friends, or are they gonna be like cold and awkward forever? Priorities. I feel like what he's missing is Pochita, and I'm so sad. Definitely. Definitely she's after something. My goodness. Denji, can you go like 2 minutes without thinking about her? Real good, valuable life goals here. My goodness. That is not what he meant. That is not what he meant. What am I watching? She's Fiend. Hello! High power! Yeah, wait, why did they just kill one? Oh my god, Denji. She's a good one. So I guess her and Denji are kind of similar then. She's cute! Her little horns are so cute. I like her. Oh. No. Oh my god, I thought they were gonna kill a cat. I want to know her backstory. How is she supposed to hunt them? Do not ask him how you can touch powers. Oh. Is that true? Where are we going? Is she looking for devil blood or human blood? What the heck is that? Whoa. Are those... Why did that look like a tower of jello with a bunch of fingers sticking out of it? And where the heck did her hammer come from? I'm sorry, is she able to just summon a giant hammer made out of blood? Because that is quite something. I'm so fascinated by her. I cannot wait to get more of power. I want to know her backstory. I want to know how she got turned into a fiend and all that. Honestly, all of them. I just want to know more about everyone. This is so good. This flew by. This little credit scene art style is so cute. It looks like crayon-esque. And I love it. That was so good. That was so fun. Oh my gosh. Like I said, I just want to know more about everyone. I want to know Power's backstory and why she's a fiend. I want to know what is up with Makima. Who is she? I feel like she's got secrets. I feel like she's got secrets. And why is Aki so cold? He's so cold. I feel like he's a nice guy. I feel like he's gonna come around and be a nice guy. But right now, he seems very bitter. Also, since Power is a fiend, is she also bound to the same agreement as Denji that Makima said, where if she were to try to quit, they would have to dispose of her like a devil because she is part devil? I have a lot of questions. I can't wait for next week. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Part of me is like, oh my gosh, I want to know what's happening. Maybe I should read the manga. But no. No, I want to wait. I want to see it, I think. I don't know. I love it. I love it already. This is so good. Wow. Don't forget to let me know in the comments what you think of the episode. If you are a manga watcher, no spoilers, please. But does the show live up to the manga? Let me know. Let me know. I'm curious. I'm very curious. But I'm really liking it so far. I'm really liking it so far. And I hope that y'all are enjoying watching this with me, along with me. If you are, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to catch the next one. But yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna head out. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. And I will catch you in the next one next week. Goodbye.